What's going on, everybody? Today we are out on the Ohio River. Came out with my good buddy Goldie. It's March 28th and we're out here trying to catch some smallmouth or stripers or something just to kill the quarantine time, so hopefully we can get it done. Stay tuned, let's see if we can.
Oh, I did it again. Trying to aim right next to you.
Got one. Got one.
Oh man, that's the one I was gonna catch.
Striper.
Hey. That's the one I was gonna catch.
Striper.
Man. Oh, looky there.
First bass of the Ohio River, 2020. What a smallmouth. Huh?
Catch him. Oh, man.
They could at least make...
No wake?
No, they could just make it idle only for guys like me.
Right.
Another one. Oh, it's big.
Oh, I'm in the way. Okay, you get first man. He's about the same, isn't he?
Yeah, it felt bigger.
Right. A little more fight to him, huh?
Striper number 2.
I gotta quit spending more time doing with backlash here.
Another striper.
Probably not out of here, but
oh. Huh? See how he hit it right at the boat?
Right.
It loads up. Number 3. Got one. Oh, that's good.
This is good.
Oh yeah.
Come on, boy!
Get that net.
Get to that. Where's that?
No, you ain't gonna get that net.
I think he's that big.
Huh? He's a good one.
Is that big? There he is.
Oh yeah. Got a good one.
Boat flipper.
I don't want to break it.
That is a nice one. That's a nice one. A couple pounds. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. And you're out of battery.
Huh?
And you're out of battery.
I'll put a new one in.
Oh, did you flip it?
Number 4. Decent one. In my glory.
Where's your fish, man?
I just throw the lure out.
Yeah, well. Evidently you know how to throw it better than I do.
I've put my time in here lately.
Right.
Well, everybody, that wraps up today. It's getting dark, so had fun. Hope you guys enjoy. Just a little quick outing with my buddy Goldie. I told him I'd bring him out at some point, and we finally did. Caught 4, missed 2 others. He missed 2, so after all, it's a pretty good day. Smallmouth or stripers are biting at the dams. I caught caught everything on a Bandit 200 chartreuse blueback, 10-pound Suffix fluorocarbon on a 6.4-to-1 Lew's BB1 reel. Hope you have fun. Stay safe during the quarantine. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. It's free. Don't cost you nothing, and it helps me out. So have fun, stay safe. God bless. Bye.